Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius. For your career situation, Sagittarius, we are picking this card, guys. And for your relationship, we are picking this card. If you want more clarity, guys, Sagittarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this reading, guys. So let's start with the card for your career situation first. So we have to the sea. So in your career situation, guys, you need to go with the flow and see how things are fitting in your circumstance, the natural pattern of events where it is taking you. So you need to understand that in your circumstances today, you don't have to resist anything. You have to just watch where how opportunities are opening for you and everything seems to work out, but you are hurrying. You just want to achieve certain things and you are rushing towards something, rushing towards some decisions. But it is the time for you to allow these opportunities to come reach you first and shake you up, and you have to see what is the most potential opportunity that is reaching you, and you need to wait and see where things are leading you, maybe the natural flow of events. So that will take you towards the right choice or the right decisions, what will work out for you. And by doing that, you are consciously aligning yourself towards prosperity, and everything, whatever you wish for yourself, will come towards you by itself, without you hurrying, without you rushing or making some changes. So all that opportunities that are supposed to reach you will come by itself and it will unfold for you, and you will feel simply grateful and happy for the way things are if you wait for the choices to come towards you, guys. Allow that natural flow to happen. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for your career situation. Maybe you just have to be really curious and wait, see your circumstance for the changes that you expect, and you are not going to be disappointed, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Round and round. So with this card, it just means that maybe in your relationship today, you are in a circumstance where you feel that you have been in this situation before. You have seen similar events unfolding like before and surprised, how did you get here? Maybe it is way too familiar. You need not feel surprised to find yourself in that same old story, because if we how you are just wondering how you are repeating the same old story, the same situation again and again. So all our relationships are a mix of good and potentially challenging, guys, and we are drawn to the person who is perfect for our evolution. That is the Spirit's plan for us. So in our life, we are always moving towards evolution and growth. So how did you get here? You need to understand that this time you have to do things differently if you want to stop yourself from going round and round again and again in the same circle. So that is what this card is about, guys. So you need to change the way you are reacting. You should not react. You should respond to your circumstance, respond to this person, do things differently from the learning you had in your past by that experience. You have to remain curious and stay out of the blame game. Only then you will be able to break this cycle. So that is the energy with this card, guys. If you want to break the cycle, you have to remain curious, aware, extremely attentive, not to repeat what you did in the past. So that is the energy, guys, with this card, and that is the reading for you all, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Gretel, ingenuity. So with this card, guys, in your situation, maybe in your life, in your past, you would have felt let down by people older than you, maybe your parents or your older siblings, and you would have faced a lot of challenges in your life, in your past, but you are someone who will not go easy under any difficult circumstance. So you are a fighter. You show courage, strength and determination to overcome any difficult circumstance, and you are someone who is really friendly, helpful, and you help others, you help people in your life, maybe your friends or family members, and you are a true defender of friends and family, and you work well in teams. You are a really friendly, kind and compassionate person, quick thinking and very protective, and you are devoted to the people you love. So maybe in your life today there is a circumstance coming up that is kindling the strength and determination in your heart in this situation, and you are gearing up to face this difficult circumstance that is right in front of you. But you need not worry, guys. You are going to be successful. You are going to come out successful with people appreciating you, people loving you, and people feeling inspired to be with you and to see you. And there are people considering you as an ideal person, ideal way of living. So you are very wise, and you are a teacher, you are a wise person, and you inspire others, and you have clear thinking, clarity, and you know what should be done. But maybe for some reason you are waiting or you are analyzing your situation, but you need not worry, guys. You are going to come out successfully out of this difficult situation you are facing today, guys, and people will come to help you and they love to help you. That is what I see with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, be discerning. So this angel card, it just means that in our life we are simply caught up. We just forget what we like and we just go with the crowd sometimes, guys. But what makes us unique in our life is the choices that we make along the way in our life and each action we take up. So making that clear choices based on our likes and dislikes will help us align to the type of life we want to live. So maybe if we are interested in some kind of creative art, if we want to take up some kind of a profession based on creative art, we have to gear up for that. So something which we love to do, something which we are really passionate about. So we need to understand that what is important in life for us, what really matters the most for us, not only in the bigger things but even in the smaller choices that we make. And before making choices, we need to ask ourselves where we stand in that particular circumstance and what is important to us. And we should not confuse ourselves by discerning. It does not mean that we have to be judgmental. We should not confuse ourselves. We must be careful. And this angel card is an angel card of wisdom, and it helps us to understand the real truth from perceived truth in our circumstance and the genuine from the superficial. So you are going to see clarity. Maybe you are looking for clarity in your circumstance and you don't know what is the truth, and today you will get to know the truth behind what you see. So the truth inside the circumstance that is going to come towards you. You are going to learn about it, and you will be guided towards wisdom in your circumstance, and you will be filled with confidence. So that is what I see with this card, guys, this angel guidance card. So that is the reading for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.